I will be installing this bath fan with Bluetooth speaker and LED light, and also have night light in this bathroom. I will leave link in the description for all the items that I will be using. As you can see, I already covered the whole wall and the floor with plastic sheathing so that I don't have to clean up later on, maybe just do a light vacuum. But before I can do that, I have to remove this drop ceiling. As you can see, if you compare this height from the top, from the bottom of the door to the top of the ceiling right here, to the other side of the wall, you can see that it's a lot more height. That's what I will be doing first. I'll be taking this drop ceiling out and then I'll move on from there. I just took out the first one. It looks like those panels are just step one and they are easy to come out, so I will be taking those out real quick, and after that I'll do the joist. To remove the corner one, I realized that I have to remove the crown molding all around before I can continue, so I will be taking those out next as I'm taking those panels out. I tried to remove the crown molding from the top because I don't want to ruin the drywall, but I just realized they just put a drywall on top of the original plaster, so I guess another project for another day. But let's continue for now. Little more than halfway with the panels, and then I'll move on to the 2x4. Starting to take some of the 2x4 out, I just cut almost at the end, a little behind where I nailed it, and just pull it down and play back and forth with it, and I'll be able to, the other side will be able to come out. That's how I'm gonna try to do all of them. As I just showed you, I was prying it out with a hammer after I cut all the joists, and it's coming out really well. I just have to pull it out. Then I gotta do the other side. Now that I gotta make this wall go all the way to the ceiling and go get some sheetrock. So everything is off. I'm getting ready to match the sheetrock to make it even with the existing wall at the bottom. But some of the area I had to put some wood over here and also on the wall, just to make the sheetrock even. And the back part of this is the wood, because they have like 3 layers of sheetrock and the original wall. So I gotta make sure the sheetrock for this is gonna be even. I might have to put something on top of this wood to make it even, because it's not even with that bottom one yet. So I'll be putting sheetrock next.